Hi, welcome to Adams Homes. This is the model 2328. They do number their homes by the square footage, so that means it's 2,328 square feet. It's a ranch style home and two-door garage, and I can't wait to show you inside, right? So let's go check out this home. They are almost out of homes in Villa Grande, but next year they should have round 3. So these homes will come back. So it's still good to watch these homes and say, hey, whenever round 3 is available, maybe this is one I want. And if you are interested in a pre-sale, we should definitely be talking because I'm happy to talk to you. Now, and explain how it all works. So you can see on both sides, you have nice little area where you can do your planting. You can change it up if you want to, but right now they leave it kind of bare for you to decide what you want with just a couple plants. You do have a walkway. And the only step in the house is going to be, I'm going to say, 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, maybe it's an inch, I don't know. And then we're in the house. And that's the only bump up step you're going to have. Now, what's lovely about this home is you have a formal dining room. You are in a foyer. Before you go to the formal dining room, wait. My cameraman ran right in. We have a formal dining room. We have a foyer where a light, so you can have something here to greet your guests. Or just, something there to greet your guests. And then you also have an office. So you do have a really quick office space. You could use this as a bedroom, a fancy bedroom. And you have a closet, double door closet. I love the light in this house, so bright. And then you can see it's a lovely office / bedroom if you need it to be a 4th bedroom. But I mean, it's clearly designed as an office space though. Then you also have a formal dining room. And notice how I actually said formal because you have a door that will separate from the house. Tray ceiling, because that is standard in this community in Villa Grande. And you have the crown molding all around. So it is definitely a nice formal feel to your formal dining room. And if you are looking for a formal dining room, this is it. So let's go back to the foyer though. So say, you have your nice table there, you come in and you're saying, I want more open concept. Well, welcome to the rest of the house. You do have a bit of a closet right here. But then the rest of the house, we are in open concept, modern entirely. So here is your kitchen over here to your over here. Your refrigerator obviously goes here. You can see this is just the standard. They didn't upgrade the granite. They were fine with that. In here, in the mudroom, where you might come in from your two-door garage, you have a nice little bump out area. Two-door garage is the one thing we didn't turn on, where you have your electric and water heater is going to be back there in the little bump out section. So you definitely have space in here. And then a little extra space for whatever you want. Yeah, it's an extra space. My husband / cameraman for this one was surprised at the extra space in the closet. Also, just like in the model of the 2700, but this is smaller, you still have a 1/2 bath right here. These people chose a darker floor. You could choose whatever you want, but it's nice to have options and it's nice to have a 1/2 bath to where your guests go and to where you don't have to send them into your bedrooms. You do have a very long pantry to where you can put all your stuff. And you can see it does come with an oven, a dishwasher, double sink. So you just have to bring, when you get new construction, a refrigerator and washer dryer. But then you also have all of this space. So if you wanted to have a small little table like here, you could. You could have just open space to where you have your living room over here as well. So you have a lot of space to design your living room as you choose. It's a very lovely, big open space, electric fireplace. Before we see the bedrooms, all of these communities as well, open concept, open living, right? We'll go into the bedrooms last, but I do like to show decent sides. All of this community has decent backyards, so they're not small little poster backyards. You have almost 1/3 of an acre. I think this one's 0.28. And that's plenty of room to where you want to have woods or whatever it is that you want to do, you can have that. Now, I do love, if you want backyards, this is a great community. Come on inside. We're going to go to the 2 bedrooms over there. I'm just going to lock the door. So they will have more of this one coming. So if you're looking for formal dining, formal office, but still there. Here's one of the bedrooms on the corner. We've walked, just so you can see before he goes into the bedroom, you can see you walked into a section. So you can honestly close it off if you don't want people to come into your 2-bedroom area. But here's the first bedroom. Double door closet. Decent sized closet. So if you want something that's right off the living room as well, this is the room closest to the living room. Beyond that, you have a linen closet. For the next bathroom, the washroom, sorry, this is the washer room, washer dryer. So you have a decent sized washer dryer room as well. Now we're going to go on to the half bath the full bath. Full bath, you can have quartz, obviously you have to fix that. A tub, and second bedroom or fourth bedroom if you need the office is here. Bigger closet than the other one. So you can see bigger closet, but I think the other one is a slightly smaller room. Bigger room as well. Notice how I'm showing you the primary because we're going to head to the primary right now. The primary is on the other side of the house. If you're looking for that balance of kids on one side, parents on the other, this is a great one as well for that because now we have all of this living room space, formal dining. You could even have a breakfast nook if you wanted to right here. And then you have the master, the primary. Tray ceilings, 3 windows. I would put my bed over here. This way. No, I would put the bed here. I was just deciding where I would put the bed in this room. You can tell me because I'm not necessarily a designer. And what's nice is this is definitely designed for space. So you have your bathroom, your sinks over here. These people have the upgraded custom shower to where they decided to go with the tile. Gray is popular. Garden tub. Toilet area that you can close off. And still very large closet. So if you are looking for one of these homes, saying, I love this home, I can't wait to talk to Adams Homes, I would recommend you talk to me because I have a lot of experience working with people. We can talk about how to get a pre-sale, how much it costs, what the upgrades are, and really, really walk you through the whole process, and you have somebody on your side the whole time. So please call me, Victoria, at 252-327-3357.